This is the Prolight Sound 2026, and then I'm very glad to introduce the SLX-D Plus. SLX-D Plus is the digital wireless system we launched in early this year at the NAMM show. But SLX-D is not a new one. We actually launched it in 2020 during the pandemic. It's digital wireless system. So this year we launched the SLX-D Plus, has got a lot of new features. For the component, we have launched a dual-channel receiver, but it's half-red design. In SLX-D, we got a dual-channel full rack. So smaller size, but when you now you can have two dual-channel receiver. And then we also have the quad-channel receiver. Quad-channel receiver, we also have the Dante and non-Dante version. So for corporate customer, if they want to use Dante, they can choose the Dante version or non-Dante version, depends on how they like. We also have the portable wireless, plug-on transmitter and portable wireless receiver. For the whole series, we are not just improve the components design, but we also adding so many features like digital feedback reduction is the newly DSP features we added in SLX-D. So when people walking to the speaker, usually will get feedback if they talk to now. But when they doing the rock test, the digital feedback reduction will save the feedback frequency. So even if the speaker walking closer to the speaker, it won't able to get feedback. So this is the number one features. The other features that we have is the ShowLink-style. ShowLink-style, if you know about Shure, the top tier high-end wireless accent digital, ShowLink is one of the features that we have it for remote transmitter parameters. So right now we bring these premium features to SLX-D. So if customer they want to change the parameter on the transmitters, they can through the wireless workbench mobile to lock the transmitter, change the gain, change the frequency. So in a very congested RF situation, if they get the interference, the receiver will detect the interference and then find a new clean frequency. So we use the BLE features to transmit the new frequency to the transmitter to solve the interference problem. So we bring these premium features to the mid-tier customer. Also, for the RF cascade, if customer they want to have larger wireless system, they use it to use antenna distributor. But right now, for the quad-channel receiver, we can cascade 3 receiver without using antenna distributor. So 12-channel wireless system can only need a pair of the directional antenna, then they can good to go. So this is all the beautiful features we have in SLX-D, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.